years coming to this park and swimming at the pool for years. My father used to be over the Parks and Recreation Department in the summertime, and we would come and be at this neighborhood all the time. So I'm very familiar and at home here. I have been practicing law for the past 13 years here in Harris County and throughout counties in Texas, and I am a civil litigator, which means I try cases that are not criminal, not family. And the court that I'm running for hears those types of cases, civil litigation cases, that range from $500 to $100,000. And civil cases, for those of you who may not be familiar with them, are cases involving, for example, land disputes, or if you have an employment case where you're suing your employer for discriminating against you, that's a civil case. Or if you have a car accident and you're suing either the insurance company or the person who hit you, that's a civil case. County civil courts at law also hear what we call eminent domain cases, which is where the state or the city tries to take your private property for public use, and they have to give you fair market value for your property. So I would be hearing, I have tried and handled those types of cases as a lawyer, and as a judge, I would be hearing those types of cases. And I tell you that because I want to let you know that I have the experience necessary to be on this bench. So I ask you and I implore you to please get out and vote in November. This is a very, very important election. The governor is up, the lieutenant governor. We have various state representative races, and I am the Democratic nominee, so I'm running on the Democratic ticket. I do have a Republican opponent, and we ask that if you are a Democrat, vote straight ticket. That's the easiest way to do it. You go in, you press the Democratic lever, you don't get Bill White and you get me, so you don't necessarily have to remember any names. But if you're not a Democrat, or if you're what we call a soft Democrat, people who vote either way, make sure that you go down to the bottom of the ballot. The judges are down at the end. And those are the races, seriously, those are the races that impact you the most, because you won't, you may, if you're fortunate enough, have an audience with the governor or even with your state representative, but you have more of a chance of coming in court and seeing me. And in Harris County, we need to make sure that we have people on the bench who have experience, who have diversity, and who have a heart for service for the people. I love this community. I've been a part of this community all my life, and my goal now is to serve this community with honesty, integrity, and a spirit of excellence. So I ask you, please go out and vote in November. Early voting is October 18th through the 29th. Election day is November 2nd. And get out in your neighborhood. Get out in your civic club. Let people know that you know someone, you've met someone who's running on the ballot. Down ballot, but you've met someone. I will